Hello, 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 it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. And this process video is using the Every Little Thing from Close to My Heart. I'm a consultant. That is my contact information. It will be at the end again. I have two photographs and I'm not sure which one I want to document, so I just kept them both out right now. I'll make that decision here in a minute. From my stash, I do use Heidi Swapp Color Shine in Navy, and then I bring in alphas. That is from my stash and not part of this collection, which is pretty typical with all collections that you purchase or kits, because even sometimes a kit might come with an alpha, and I tend not to even use the ones that come with kits. I don't know why, that's just me. All right, I have a 12 by 12 paper, which is that gorgeous flower, and then I had a half of it, like a 6 by 12 piece, and off camera, I went ahead and fussy cut those. I thought they would look great against this background. I cut off the branding strip, or as Close to My Heart refers to them as the zipper strips, and I cut that off on both sheets of paper. This gorgeous paper right here, it was a 6 by 12, and I'm going to cut it down to 6 by 6. And yes, I am showing you another way to use triangle pieces, but this is a basic one. I think it was layout number 2. I showed you how to cut triangle pieces and put them on a 12 by 12 and then do a pie shape by taking a plate and cutting a circle. This one I'm just doing 2 different sizes of a triangle piece and placing one in the upper left-hand corner and a smaller one in the lower right-hand corner. All right, here I'm auditioning the 2 photographs. I decided I'm going to go with this one. This is my niece and nephew, and I have to say that those photographs are 16 years old. I'm going to assume, yeah, 16 years old. I double mat that first on white daisy cardstock, and then the blue, which maybe I can find the name of that blue, but it is Close to My Heart blue. Let me see. I think it's a sapphire blue. That I double matted that. All right. I don't know if I told you or not. Okay, on the opposite side of that striped gorgeous blue paper are these gorgeous flowers. And I fussy cut those out because you get 2 sheets. And I had only used a 6 by 12, and I was going to save it, and then I'm like, no, let me do some fussy cutting. I haven't done any fussy cutting for a while. You know, on layout number 1, I did like a C shape of flowers, which was a sketch lift from in the September-October catalog for Close to My Heart. This time I'm doing like a cascade around the right side of the photo, as you can tell, and then I'm going to just have it like, and I'm going to have some of the little leaves I cut out just like falling from those flowers. Again, I've said this before in videos, when you're arranging your flowers, just think of it as a bouquet. And then sometimes even when I'm arranging a lot of embellishments, that's how I look at it. I'm just arranging a bouquet, a group of items. And when I look at it that way, and if you look at it that way, or think of it that way, think of it that way, it's very relaxing instead of saying, oh, I got to arrange these die cuts. If you think of it as arranging a bouquet of flowers, doesn't that feel good, right? It makes you feel good. Puts a smile on your face. All right, so from the sticker sheet from the Every Little Thing collection, I use that one sticker that says Sheer Bliss, I think. I don't know. I put the layout up, and then I got out the heart sticker and this little flower sticker. And it's kind of blank there, which it would have been okay. It really looks okay how it is. And you let me know, but I got out this little puffy sticker that says Girls Rule. And even though my nephew is not a girl, but I'm just putting it out there as general because my niece is like in charge of steering this tricycle. I wanted it to say Go Inspired by using these puffy alpha stickers. And I don't know what collection that came out with. And I know there's ladies out there that know. And if you want to make a comment below so that the other ladies that are looking at the comments will know where the sticker, it's a-okay. You do not hurt my feelings. I've said this before. I can tell you where my papers come from and my die cuts, but these alphas, I just never remember what collections they come from. Anyway, the word inspired was too large for that area, so I chose to go how it was originally on, or originally how you purchase these alphas, which said go big. And then I start to put them away, and then I said, well, wait a minute, I need some silver over here to the left of the photograph. And then other than adding the splatters, this layout's complete. It literally, when I uploaded this, it was like 16, 17 minutes, and I cut it down to 14 just not to bore you, because in real time it goes slower. So basically what I did was speed this up 1 point or 1.5, and it shrunk it down. So anyway, the time it shrunk down, and then I cut out 2 small sections. So it's right at 6.5, 7 minutes. So again, another quick, easy layout. And you've got yourself, a quick layout. And you've got yourself a beautiful layout, and you've documented a memory. All right, keep coming back. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. If you do not have a Close to My Heart consultant, I would love to have you as a customer. Come on over and shop. There are some cool things coming out for November and December, of course, based around the holiday season. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye.